Hello, in this video we're going to talk about the 8 secret tips about faceless YouTube videos YouTube gurus don't tell you. Secret number 1. Create an instant backlog. You want to upload at least 4 related videos so you can maximize watch time, look more professional, build authority, and utilize your end screens. Now you can hit the ground running and have a better chance of getting some faster views and maybe even some faster monetization. Secret number 2, fish on. Never forget your hook. Think about how you can challenge a viewer's beliefs enough to get past the first 30 seconds. And that's because the average viewer makes up their mind about a thumbnail and whether to click it or not in about 0.2 of a second. It is absolutely crucial to try to hold attention for at least the first few seconds. Often you can present a fact that most people thought was true and is not, or vice versa. The hook here was the fact that many YouTubers don't tell you the whole story. Secret number 3, girth versus length. Might not be what you think. Girth is being the all-around content within any length of time. On average, it takes about 1,500 words to voice over a video 8 minutes long. This should not be underestimated, but don't freak out about it either. It basically amounts to a short conversation you probably can do easily without even realizing it. Just don't expect to write 5 sentences and be able to produce a high quality ranking video. Now, according to Google Corporate, instructional and e-learning videos generally contain 165 words per minute, so this is a good figure to use in general. So if we multiply the total running time, 8 minutes approximately, by the standard corporate video word per minute, 165, we get about 1,320 words. Secret number 4, riches are definitely in the niches. Stay away from easy to enter niches like rain sounds or even meditation. The higher the barrier to entry, the less the competition. You may find you can't even crack above the first 50 pages in search results. This is because it's oversaturated markets that anyone can enter and just paste mantras is not a high barrier to entry. When that happens, it can be demoralizing, and we want to avoid that. However, I'm going to do a test channel on just that topic, meditation, and just see if the gurus are actually telling the truth. Care to follow along my journey? Hit the subscribe button. Secret number 5, search versus broad. Search-based evergreen content videos will do better in the long term, but entertainment-based content has a higher potential to go viral. Now, going viral is certainly not everything, but it's great when you can get it. That being said, it can also be short-lived, for example, news content. As a general rule, topics relevant 5 years from now will equal steady growth and generally higher revenue. Secret number 6, keywords. Don't just believe everything you see or read about search data, because even the most reliable keyword sources can vary widely in their traffic estimates. Secret number 7, tags. It's more than people think. The YouTube algorithm needs that data to see where to place you and in what groups. They have to test it in small batches and see how it performs across the platform. You are in no way disqualified right out of the gate, so don't listen to people who say tags are completely useless. That is a lie. Don't get me wrong, tag stuffing doesn't work, but tags themselves absolutely help. Now YouTube will know exactly what your channel is about and if your videos follow what your channel tags are. And there's also a sneaky secret within a secret with tags. You might want to subscribe for more. Secret number 8, stand alone. You see, each video is regarded as its own entity. It is very similar to a web page in that regard, and in fact, it is. One article may get 10 million reads while nobody reads anything else on the blog. Now, in the scenario of a video, those videos that got that many views carry about 10 times the weight of the lesser videos. This is how a channel can have 200 videos with 199 only having 10 or 15 views each. And then that one with 1 million. So how about we try and find out why the 1 million got that many views and try to replicate it. So now, bonus secret number 9. Embed your video on a website. It works very well right now, especially for Google search. It's pretty easy, even with free website makers and sites. It really is a specific signal that your videos are being shared in this way. It also signals to YouTube and Google, since they crawl all the web pages, that your video is there, and there's a high possibility that it will end up on YouTube from it. There's also some magic behind the scenes within the blog and on the pages to magnify your videos and your views. But in all honesty, I simply can't give away all my golden nuggets right here in a single video. You may be expecting a pitch right here, but nope. Another bonus secret number 10. If you can, stay away from bit.ly shortened links. You got a buddy who's an insider, and he tells me that they, being Google, frown upon the bit.ly links because they are used for quite a bit of spam, and when you see 50 bit.ly links, it doesn't look good. There is a better way. Plus, there's a combination of characters that you put with your bit.ly link, and I can look at the bit.ly link and see all your traffic data, your geographical data, and everything like that. And if I can do it, so can your competition. And I've done it many times to my competition. Now they've lightened up a little bit on bit.ly recently since they've effectively purchased. And lastly, I'll share one of my secret weapons, and that's short.io. And tiny URL is good and fast as well, so give them a chance to.